Hey y'all, Lindsey here, back with some weekly Whimsy. Get ready for some exciting projects and tech innovations. Let's dive in. Zooming in to our community highlights, a big warm welcome to 10 new members who have joined our Discord server, taking our total to 3,786 members. Whether you're a tech guru or a curious newbie, our doors are open for you to join the dialogue. Now for a twist in our Powered by Pinata segment, let's shine a light on Cosmic Cowboys. Blockchain gaming has evolved to offer more than just tech novelties. It's now about crafting games that are truly engaging and immersive. Our own Pinata team tested their mettle at ETH Global Online, creating an on-chain game complete with self-governing NPCs. And they clinched the win. Curious? I've got you covered with early access details in the description box below. Looking ahead, there's an event not to be missed in Fort Worth, Texas from November 15th to 17th. Texas is spearheading the charge in Bitcoin mining and digital asset innovation. The summit is set to be a melting pot for 1,500 plus professionals and policymakers, stoking the fires of Texas as a leader in this digital revolution. Switching lanes over to Web3 news, there is a fresh wind blowing for the metaverse. Despite skepticism, the metaverse, or the 3D internet as some call it, is gaining traction. With heavyweights like Meta investing billions and other pioneers like Roblox and Voxys carving niches in gaming, the metaverse is honing its edge. It's about capturing attention and transforming it into value. And where attention flows, opportunity follows. And last but not least, a snippet of tech wisdom. Today I'll be talking about encrypting and decrypting files on IPFS with Lit Protocol and Pinata. IPFS is a pillar for off-chain file sharing in Web3, yet it's not without its challenges, especially when it comes to private content. Enter asymmetric encryption, a mainstay in blockchain security, now repurposed for token gating via Lit Protocol. We're diving into a guide on marrying IPFS's distributed prowess with Lit's access control to safeguard your digital treasures. And just like that, we have journeyed through another episode of Weekly Whimsy. If anything I talked about today resonated with you, definitely hit those like and subscribe buttons down below and join in on our community. Until next time, this is Lindsey signing off. Stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!